welcome to the Salsa with Sylvia YouTube channel. We haven't been here in a while, but we've been busy building this beautiful studio. So now, Mario and I are going to walk you through the first week of Absolute Beginner. This is our syllabus, so this is what we learn in the first week of Absolute Beginner Salsa. All right, so we're gonna walk you through a very basic step where the lead goes forward on their left and the follower goes back on their right. So it looks like this: 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So just a few things. So when we count salsa, this is also what we talk about the first week. When we count salsa, we count 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So if you notice, we skip 4 and 8, and that's because we don't step on the count of 4 and 8. So that's why we count 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So if we look away from the camera, for the lead, we go forward on our left. So we go 1, 2, 3, and back 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. For the follower, we go back on our right and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. So when you go further with that, ladies, you're going to use your hips, move your hips. So when you do a basic salsa step, you want to move your hips 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Another step that we learned in the very first week of Absolute Beginner Salsa is the side step. So the side step, we're going to show it for the leader. So we're going to start with the left, to our left, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So it's basically the same, except we're going left and right. So what you have to make sure is that you step on every beat. In other words, when you do a basic step, you don't just do 1, 5, 1, 5. You actually step forward and move your weight forward. So you go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So you transfer the weight forward and back 6, 7. It's not too much, so it's not, you're not going to fall forward and fall back, but you're stepping on the balls of your feet all the time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, to the side, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. All right, so there is another basic step that we also teach in Salsa Absolute Beginners. So that's the cumbia step. I'm going to let Mario show you that.
The cumbia step, the leader start with right in this position, 1, 2, and then come back and the other side. Have a little movement in this position and the other side, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3, and 5, 6, 7. Remember, when you put the number 1, don't put the heel in the floor and push the floor with your toes. 1, 2, and come back, and the other side is the same. 5, 6, 7. Push the floor, but don't put your body in this position because it's more slow. So it's very stretched, and then 1, 2, and 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
All right, so let's show it when we dance with a partner. So when you lead a basic step, gentlemen or leads, you have to go forward, and when you lead, you're using your entire body as opposed to just pushing and pulling with your hands. You don't do that. So when you lead, you go forward with your entire body, and remember to have a little bit of, I wouldn't say tension, but it would be
Resistance.
So followers, when you follow, you have to make sure that you don't have spaghetti arms. Otherwise, the lead will go forward, but only your elbows will go back and not your entire body. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cumbia step. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. As you can see, Mario is able to go from one basic step to another without telling me what we're doing because he's leading. So when you lead the cumbia step, you go with your inner arm. So he would lead with his right arm, my left arm, going this way, and then we come back, and then the same in the opposite direction, like that, and like that. And for the side step, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And what we're going to do to practice is we're going to do 2 regular basic steps going back and forth. Then we're going to do 2 cumbia steps, and then we're going to do 2 side steps. So it looks like this: 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, side step. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3 from the top. All right, so we broke, after the cumbia step, we added another basic step just to have an easier transition into the side step. So let's see what that looks like with music.
Very good.
5, 6, 7, 1. Regular basic. We're gonna go to cumbia, 1. 5, 6, 7, 1. Regular basic, 1. 5, 6, 7, 1. Side step. Regular basic. Cumbia step. Regular basic. Side step. Regular basic. That's the last time. Cumbia. Basic. Side step. And that's it. All right, so this is what it looks like with music. So in the very first class in our Absolute Beginner Salsa series, we also talk about musicality and how to hear the music. So here at the Salsa with Sylvia studio, we teach salsa on 1. So you may want to ask what salsa on 1 means. That means that you take your very first step on the count of 1. So when we count music, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, with salsa on 1, you step forward, lead on your left, and then followers, you step back on your right on the count of 1. How you hear the music, that's for some people is easier, for some people it's more difficult. This will come with more practice. You do get a lot of practice when you come to our classes, so we hope to see you here at the Salsa with Sylvia studio, and I hope you enjoyed this video.